Jalup Jatend Piny Kenya Gachagua nyoro no riambo kowachoni notamo nyithinde timo ohala kod piny owacho. Owacho ni orak mar hotel mar treetops mayudre Nyeri otim kokalo riwruok mar Kenya Wildlife Services ma en bad migao mar piny owacho.
Mr. Speaker, yesterday the Deputy President said, immediately became Deputy President, he asked his children not to do business with government. But you will realize, because he's speaking from both sides of his mouth, you will realize that even in this transaction about hotels, treetops belongs to Kenya Wildlife Service. Yes, it is true, he has leased. But if you say that you have instructed your children not to transact with government, and then you lease an hotel owned by the government, are you not transacting with government? Are you not transacting with government? And therefore, the live interview by the Deputy President yesterday is a further ground for the Deputy President to be impeached.